Alright guys, look at what we got going on here. This is on the new side of my shop right here. Today we just got to get some things sealed up in the ceiling. We've been having a serious heating problem that we don't want to have in the summertime. So basically my ceiling was a open rafter ceiling, and I was kind of hoping that foam up in there would be enough to make it suffice with air conditioner and stuff in here, but it is not. If it's 90 degrees outside, it's 90 degrees in the shop, and it's now affecting the old side of the shop where I'm trying to work on the GTO. So we're putting some foam up, and we've got to get this stuff done this weekend, or for the most part, to help with the situation I've got going on. And then I can get back on the GTO. I'll show you guys the goat real quick, and then we're going to jump back on this. Hopefully we can get this problem situated this weekend. Yeah, it looks kind of rough. I'm definitely not a carpenter, but it works. And I could already tell a difference just from half of the side being done. So this side is almost ready, and then we'll go over there and do that side. But we'll end up sealing all the seams up with aluminum tape, or the that Waller's tape there, whatever you want to call it. But we're going to try to get that in just to help it out some. But I can already tell a big difference this morning, and we're going to keep on rolling here, guys. All right, guys, here's the goat. You guys know what's underneath here, and you definitely know what's underneath that hood, what's in there right there. But we got the thing covered up right now just since we're doing construction, and I've been trying to keep it covered up when we're working on other projects in the shop. But man, I want to get back on this thing tonight, hopefully. Yesterday was Friday. We knocked it out of the park, got half of the side done there on the shop. We only got to work on it for about 4 hours, so we really knocked it out really good. And I'm hoping today I can get majority of the rest of it done, or really close. But we're gonna keep it rocking and rolling, and can't wait to get back on this thing. I won't be working on it now, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Let's keep it rocking, guys. Amy, where you at? And then we got the shop dog with us. All right, guys, we are getting closer and closer here. We're getting it all sealed up there, and it's working out pretty good. Just gotta get the rest of that taped up on that side there, and then move over here and start getting it put up. But we're rocking and rolling, and hopefully we can get this knocked out and start helping us there on our cooling situation. And shoot, it is one hot dude. It is, I'll take you over here and show you the temp in the garage. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it is 81. And on the old side of the garage, one of those bad boys you turn on in the morning, and it would suffice enough. Hey, same size garage, worked fine. But on this side over here, you turn that on, it don't do nothing. Where the ceiling was all open up there, it just gets so hot up there we couldn't control it. So putting this stuff in, hopefully that will help us out there, and then I'll get back on the goat and we will rock and roll, guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking in with us. We'll get some more stuff done here, and some more footage. Just rock and roll. All right, guys, there we go. So we just ran out of tape, so I'm gonna have to go and get some more tape, but I think it turned out okay. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too ghetto, but it'll work. It'll work. Let you see it from another angle here. I think it'll be all right. Once we get over there, get that side done. Yeah, I think it looks okay. It's all right, not too bad. The transition looks okay. See where it bends right there and goes up in there. I'm definitely no carpenter by no means. I'd rather be TIG welding, but that's just me. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Man alive, guys, check this out. We have got the full metal goat here on the new side of my shop. I am so excited about this. Feels really good to be on the clean side. The old side over there is on the back side of those doors there. That will be for anything nasty that we're working on. If we got a lot of projects that we can't show on film, or if we just got stuff that we want to keep on the nasty side of the shop. And that way we can use this side for assembly, sheet metal work, so on and so forth. Keep projects clean, keep motors clean, so on and so forth, just to keep a better environment for our vehicles that we're building. But anyways, show you what we got going on here. This is going to be kind of our sheet metal section here, and plus this will help out for our filming there. So on the video you guys will be able to see more clearly, see better angles. We still got a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of straightening up, so I want to give you guys more professional footage and keep moving forward. But I got some great announcement here for you guys. If you guys are needing any AN fittings, definitely check out Mr. Joe here. He contacted us and he's wanting to help me out with some fittings, and these guys make some super nice stuff. I mean super nice stuff. And I am a catalog man, and these guys have very nice catalogs, and I cannot thank Joe and Aeroflow enough. They make a super nice product, and I cannot wait to get their stuff on my car. He is going to help me out with all the oil system and the fuel system for my ride, and I cannot wait to get some of his stuff here and show you guys that product. But he makes some nice stuff. Oh, and he also is going to help me out on the cooling stuff. So I have AN fittings for my radiator that goes to the motor. So he's going to hook us up with some very nice stuff. I cannot wait to show off that bling bling there. But we are coming to a close for this week. I want to thank you guys for being very patient with us. I've had a ton of stuff going on in the shop between the ceiling and trying to get this thing over here. It has been an absolute mess. My fiance Hannah has been helping me out so much getting the garage cleaned up, and hopefully the next video you guys are going to start seeing more work back done on the GTO. A lot of cleaning's going to be done, and hopefully you guys will be able to see a big difference in the shop, and I'm super excited about it. And also we got something else that's going to happen in the next video as well. There's going to be a Corvette in the next video, and I can't wait to debut that to you. It's in storage right now. I've not drove the thing yet. Super excited about that, but definitely guys, stay tuned, and can't wait till next Friday.